Hi guys, welcome back to Making Games with Unity. So now I'm going to show you some little bit of bug that might happen to you. Actually, it's not a bug, it's something related to the settings. For example, you want to change the color, right? So right now, when you check on the vertex color, I want to change it to red. But it seems that the color is not working. See here, yeah, I change it to red or even blue, right? It's not working. And then when I go to the for this game complete, which is here, game complete, I want to change it to, let's say, orange or yellow. It's not working, right? If you ever encounter this, usually what happened is you probably accidentally edit the shader that you're using, or material that you're using, material that you're using right here. So now it's black, right? The base color is black. You just need to change it to white again, and then boom, every color will come back again, and you can modify the color again, just like what happened right now. I can change this to any color that I want. Yeah, so it's working again after we do that. So just go to the material for your TextMeshPro and change the base color to white again, and then everything will work. Yep, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you on next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.